till this day, we've been in business for about a year and 6 months.
Okay.
We have some of our first customers still with us.
That's
So
great
retention
Yep.
is big.
Yep.
Right? We did have some people that left, but we learned a lot from that. That helped us fine-tune our
There
processes.
you go.
So we're consistently fine-tuning our processes,
Yeah.
the way we vet people, the way we bring in people, the type of people we're bringing in,
Mm-hmm.
while I'm on the front end building out the sales. We
Yeah.
have, in our team, we have a business manager, we have a recruiter, we have a marketing person, we have a salesperson, right? And then I'm in the back end as the closer and the strategist,
Gotcha.
and then the biz dev guy.
Okay.
So I'm consistently figuring out where's the best audience for us,
Yeah.
what's the best way to bring in most revenue,
Yeah.
what does our sales channels look like, right? So we were blessed enough to do our first 6 figures in less than 7 months in business. And that's when I'm like, okay, I really know I have something there.
Yeah.
Right? I'm like, well, if I can do 6, I know I can do 7.
Yep.
And then I pay attention to people that's been doing this for 7 to 10 years. And I'm realizing, okay, this company just sold for 50 million and it did what I did.
Yeah.
So I know there's a big exit if
Right.
you build something where you can have this type of multiple.
Yeah.
And then I'm like, okay, this company is at 20 million annual recurring and they'll do what we did. So I'm watching the big guys
Yeah.
and see what they're doing, how can we be better, and then how can I build something that's not only revenue driven,
Yeah.
yet able to also do an impact.
Yeah.
Because you got to think about it. We have people in the Philippines, we have people in Nigeria, we have people in Egypt, we have people in India, we have people in Mexico, we have people in Dominican Republic,
Yeah.
right? We plan to have people in Haiti once things stabilize.
Yeah.
So having teams that are global in different time zones with different skill set
Yeah.
makes it not a regular VA business that's just you put a VA that do admin work.
Yeah.